Hi, Elsa. How are you today? Do you want to show everyone how you get up? Oh, good job! You did that all by yourself. Such a big girl, aren't you? What else can you do? Yes, we're opening the blinds. Look at all the light. Say, yeah, good morning. Say good morning. Now, how are you going to get down? Come here. How are you going to get down? Do that. Say, boop. And you're down. Can you say, hello, whoa? Oh. What were you saying? Can you say, mama, mama, mama? No. I know. You want the camera, huh? Can you say, mama, mama, mama? Don't worry. Oh, boop. You're okay. What you want to stand up again? Look at you, big girl. You're okay. What's wrong? All right. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.